Hi, I'm David Davis from ActualTech Media. We're here at the VMware headquarters in Palo Alto, California. I'm excited to be joined by Mahesh Kumar. He's a Senior Director of Product Marketing in the Cloud Management Business Unit. Thanks for joining me, Mahesh.
Thank you for having me, David.
Yeah.
My pleasure.
So this is exciting. We've been talking a little bit about what's going on with VMware Cloud Management, and I know that VMware has a new product called Lifecycle Manager. What can you tell us about it? How can it help virtualization admins out there who are running VMware vSphere and the vRealize suite?
Absolutely, great question. So we are really excited about Lifecycle Manager for a few different reasons. And before I jump right into what Lifecycle Manager is and what it does, let's take a step back, right? If you look at the technologies that are proliferating, what the typical VI admin, the typical IT directors, and the infrastructure and operations and application folks are faced with today, it straddles on the infrastructure side, your traditional virtual machines to containers, and maybe some would say function as a service and serverless computing as well. In terms of the infrastructure, it straddles both the private cloud and the public cloud. In terms of application development environments, it's your traditional IaaS with services or extremely opinionated PaaS environments, and also traditional client-server applications juxtaposed with container-based, microservices-oriented applications as well, right? So when you have such a wide variety within the environment, how do you manage it? And we, for one, feel that with the vRealize cloud management platform, we are providing an approach which is almost like a polyglot, somebody who understands multiple languages and can bring this all together. And so that's really what the cloud management platform is about. Now, within the cloud management platform, there is a set of technologies that we're bringing to the market, be that around operations, be that around visibility or capacity management or log management, be that around automation of your complex workflows and so on. So how do you ensure that the end users and the operators of our technologies don't have to worry about the technology itself, but then derive extremely quickly value out of the technology to solve for their problems and issues? And so that's where the Lifecycle Manager comes in, right? So vRealize Lifecycle Manager essentially ensures that out of the box, I'm able to install, patch, configure, update all of my vRealize software, right? So I don't have to worry about it. In addition, it ensures that day two issues with the software are taken care of in the background, so you don't have to worry about running the software, which is helping you run the business. And then also from the standpoint of operations itself, we can ensure that everything is running properly and doing the right set of things, right? So we can get into how it does that, but in a nutshell, that's what Lifecycle Management does. It manages the life cycle of all of the software components which form the vRealize suite of products today.
Okay, excellent. So the vRealize suite is made up of many different products: vRealize Operations, Log Insight, vRealize Network Insight, and more. And so vRealize Lifecycle Manager sits above those and has its kind of fingers in all of those and understands what's happening with the health of all these different applications. Am I understanding it right?
Absolutely. So what Lifecycle Manager provides out of the box is, clean and simple GUI that you can use to deploy these products. Now, we understand that these are not traditionally all greenfield situations. You might have varying levels of products, versions of products already in the environment. In addition, traditionally IT has had to contend with interdependencies and, hey, I need this particular patch set or this particular OS level or that particular driver for this piece of software to work. Right. Guess what? You don't have to worry about that anymore at all, right? Lifecycle Manager takes care of any dependencies, any prerequisites that you have. In addition, once you have deployed this, you can actually capture that golden configuration, and the next time you do it, or the next cluster you move to, or the next data center you go to, just slide that in and you don't even have to touch anything. Just click go and you've got your deployment of vRealize ready to go within that particular environment, right? And then of course, day two, software changes, software morphs, we issue patches, we issue updates and so on. So vRealize will ensure that can grab all of those and do that silently at scheduled times. So as an operator, you know that you're getting the best in terms of the software capability that you have deployed in your environment. And additionally, you are focused on just reaping the benefits or the value. Hence we call, when we talk about Lifecycle Manager, for us, it's really about providing customers time to value, right? How soon can I help you solve the problems that interest you versus debugging what ought to be the solution in the first place, right? So that's really the value there.
Excellent. And so is this new product shipping now? Is it available?
It is. It is available now. So any of our customers who own vRealize, the suite, can leverage vRealize Lifecycle Manager.
Excellent. I'm going to check it out myself. Thanks so much for your time today.
Thank you. Appreciate it.